Welcome again for another video from the Philippines. I'm making this video from my balcony, so I'm sorry if it's a little bit noisy. I don't really have the production facilities here in the Philippines to make good videos, but I hope the content is more valuable than the quality of my videos. But I want to talk a little bit about losing your investment with affiliate marketing, and particularly one type of method or product I've been seeing being pushed out there where you can lose your investment. Now, what it is, this offer that affiliate marketers are getting sucked into, it's based on affiliate marketers make money with this offer by simply recruiting other people. There's no real products involved. You simply recruit to recruit to recruit. You recruit a person, you get a commission, and then that person has to go out and recruit some other people and you get a commission. You know, how it works is you buy your way up to different levels. Let's say if you want to make the $3,000 commission, you have to send $3,000 cash in, like, let's say a FedEx envelope to the person who recruited you, and it's all cash, and it's recruit to recruit to recruit. And I've seen videos on social media of guys saying, "Hey, look at all these envelopes I got, and it's all full of cash." But I can guarantee you those type of things get shut down eventually. I know firsthand, I had personal experience with a big affiliate marketing company. They were claimed to be $1 billion company. They were doing something the same way. The affiliate marketers were making money by recruiting others, and there wasn't anything really in the bag. This company didn't have any real products. They didn't have any real products to sell to generate that income. You were simply recruiting to recruit to recruit. And one day, the feds came in and shut the company down overnight. It got shut down. So if you had paid $10,000 to get to a senior level or whatever, you lost that money. It shut down overnight. And so don't fall for that kind of business plan. You may see it on social media saying all you have to do is, promote and you're going to get the cash in the mail. It will work for a little while, but that type of thing can get shut down. The best products to market for affiliate marketing is a real product, something that's real, digital product like education or a book or something that you're not just recruiting to recruit to recruit. Because these things that recruit to recruit to recruit, it's almost like a Ponzi scheme. Eventually, the feds find out and they shut it down, or the system or the program just collapses under its own weight and everybody loses their money. So the best way to make money online is promoting legitimate products that you would be happy to promote or sell to your own relative, to your mom or your dad or your sister. Something that you would feel good about promoting to them if they had interest in that type of product you're promoting. So I wouldn't promote anything, in my opinion, that I wouldn't want to send or sell to my own family. So to avoid from getting scammed and getting pulled into something that you shouldn't get involved in, don't fall for these money in the mail type affiliate programs. Just try to find something that is legitimate, and your customers will be happy, and you won't get any returns or chargebacks out of your commission. So see you on video next from the Philippines.